Okay, that's all roughed out and ready for drying. I'll probably give it a coat of sanding sealer on the end grain, but it looks pretty good. Here's another look at it all roughed out. After it dries, I'll be turning this down thinner, maybe to about 3/8 or so, and this rim will probably be half to 3/8 to a ½ inch. Right now this is about an inch, almost an inch, and this is about 3/4. So that was a lot of fun, and I think I'm going to be making a few more of these. These are a fun project. So thanks for watching. If you want to see a bunch more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. Okay, later.